Hello and welcome back to Stainless Digital. Today I'll be showing you how to schedule your post using your phone. Alright, so if you just enter, first of all, get the business suite, Meta Business Suite. Look at it here, Meta Business Suite, look at it here. So you tap on it, it opens up and it opens up for you. If you are just downloading it from your Apple Store or your Play Store, it will tell you to log in. What you are required to do is to log in with your Facebook details, your Facebook username, Facebook username or email, and then your password. Now, if you have a page, it will open up for you just the way you are seeing this. You have an Instagram page that is linked, it will open up for you just the way you are seeing this one like this. So let's get started with scheduling a post. So you tap on more and then tap on planner, and then what is displaying for you now, it's displaying for you the calendar. Now I want to create a post for tomorrow and next tomorrow, and I want to make it automatic. I don't want to have wait for tomorrow before I make that post. So I will make the post and then schedule it to be posted at a particular time tomorrow. So you can use this to make posts for weeks without, you can sit here and automate how to make your post. You want to automate the making of your post and posting it, so you can automate the next like the whole of March. You can decide to make posts for the whole of March. That means that in the whole of March you will not come and make any new posts. All you'll be doing is just to be supervising the engagement and then be replying to comments and all other things. So let us get started. You tap on create, you tap on post. So I want this to be published only on Facebook feed. So I'll now go to I'll uncheck this. Now I'll uncheck it. Now if you choose these groups, choose all these groups, if you choose a group, you will not be able to schedule post. What you need to do is make sure you don't select any group. You just leave it at Facebook feed, then you see done. Then this is a demo. Let's just say I'm done with my scheduling. Then I tap on with my post, and I tap on next. Now it's telling me publish now, which I don't want. Then it's telling me schedule for later. Then I tap on schedule for later. Now when do I want to post it? I said tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. I leave it at Wednesday. At what time? I want to post it in the morning. I'll come and put 6 a.m. Now I'm using 6 a.m. because 6 a.m. is the morning session. In the 6 a.m. morning, my followers are more active by 6 a.m. when it has to do with morning section, 6 a.m. to around 9 a.m. and then the followers for this page are active in the afternoon from around 12 to 2, and then they are active from around in the evening, and they are active around 7 to 9 p.m. That's how the follower that's how the followers of this page is. That's the activity of this page. So you can also try to check your own from what I have taught you in social media management course. If you don't know anything about the social media management course, just go to my YouTube channel and search and go to Stainless Digital and then look for the course. The course is there, it is free. All right, so just go to my bio and then go to my channel, go to my bio, you see the course there right from day one to the very last day. So the next thing you do, I'm done said. I say 6 p.m. or 6 a.m. so I want it to be a.m. Now I will bring it to 00. I want it to be 6 o'clock exactly 6 o'clock. I like doing it past 6 a bit so that it won't be too accurate, as though I wanted it to be by 6 exactly, but it's all your choice. Then after that you press done. So this thing is going to be posted on Wednesday by 4 minutes past 6. That's tomorrow. Then I'll now press schedule this. I don't want to schedule this post, so I'll be wrapping up the tutorial here. Thanks for watching, and do well to like and subscribe.